Okay, we're going to be looking at variable expressions for real-world problem solving. Let's do a little bit of review. A variable is a lowercase letter representing an unknown value in an algebraic expression or equation. For example, a plus 4 equals 7. A is your variable. 2x squared plus 5y equals 48. X and y are your variables. You can have more than one variable in an expression or an equation. 225 equals 48 minus 2d. d is a variable. Now these are all equations. You can also have a variable in an expression. 2h is an expression. That's a variable expression because it has the variable h in it. What is a variable expression for Sue's age? Sue is 5 years older than her brother Mike. When we read that statement, we can see that if we knew Mike's age, we could figure out how old Sue was. Therefore, Mike's age will be our variable. So what we've done is we've said Mike's age is m, and therefore Sue's age is m plus 5. Now we could write an equation to solve a problem like this. Sue is 5 years older than her brother Mike. The sum of their ages is 21. How old is Sue? So we would take Mike's age, which we said was the variable m, and we added Sue's age, which is Mike's age plus 5, and we equate it to the sum of 21. Now let's try this. Joseph has an after-school job dog sitting for his neighbor. The neighbor pays him $4 an hour. He puts half of his weekly earnings into a savings account and spends $5 a week on snacks. What is a variable expression that would help him calculate the money he has to spend if he works 8 hours per week? So you have $4 for each hour of work for H, and you know that half of that's going to go in a savings account, so divide it by 2, and then you have to subtract out the $5 that he spends on snacks every week. So there's our expression for showing how much Joseph would spend or have to spend each week. Alright, this one is challenging. An online video game company charges a flat fee of $10 each month, plus $2 for each 15 minutes of online playtime. Write a variable expression for calculating a monthly bill for y minutes of playtime. So first we think each 15 minutes of online playtime tells you that the total number of minutes, which we're going to use the variable y, will be divided by 15. We also know from the problem that the quotient from number 1 will be multiplied by 2 because there's a $2 charge for each 15 minutes. And we also know that we have to add $10 because there's a flat fee of $10 each month. So here you see our variable expression. We have 2 times the quantity of y, which is our number of minutes per month, divided by 15. So we have how many 15 groups of 15 there are, and for each of those groups of 15 you're going to be charged $2. And then you have to finally add in the $10 because that's the flat fee each month. Alright, well that ends this very brief video introduction of variable expressions in real-world problem solving. Enjoy the activity.